Today I would like to introduce Sigenergy Hybrid SP2 and TP2 systems, which you can see on the wall. These units are designed to deliver maximum performance, flexibility and future expansion, all within one of the slimmest inverters designed on the market. It's just 99 millimeters deep. Despite its size, the performance is exceptional. The inverter operates at up to 99% efficiency and it's the highest level currently available on the global market. The system includes all essential connections, battery terminals, dual MPPT inputs, Wi-Fi connectivity, USB access, AC connections and multiple communication ports, all neatly hidden behind the clean front cover for a modern professional installation. And you can see that here, how nice it is on the wall, and it looks very, very modern and flush. One of the biggest advantages of the SP2 system is its expandability. Customers can start with just inverter, which is the battery-ready solution, and later add the battery storage as their energy needs grow. With Sigenergy batteries, you can extend the system up to 54 kilowatt hours of storage, which it's a full stack, 6 batteries, making it one of the largest residential energy storage capacities available. The system also allows so-far overcharging up to 200%, okay? So helping maximize energy production while intelligently directing excess energy to charge the batteries and reduce energy losses. So no clipping. Flexibility is another key benefit. The battery controller can be installed up to 20 meters away from the inverter, giving installers, homeowners more freedom when planning the system layout. And because the system is IP66 rated, it can be installed outdoors, indoors. It's built to operate in extreme conditions from -30 to plus 55 degrees Celsius, making it perfectly suited for challenging climates, including Irish weather. Safety is a top priority. Sigenergy systems include 6 layers of protection: integrated surge protection, arc detection, advanced monitoring to ensure safe and reliable operation. With simple installation, fast commissioning and 15 years extended warranty, Sigenergy provides a powerful, reliable and future-ready renewable energy solution, and that's why we believe it's one of the most exciting and the best systems available today and in the future as well.